So we're at the Adams River in Tsútswecw Provincial Park. And the significance of this place is it's the home of the famous Adams River sockeye run.
In good years, several million sockeye succeed in completing the nearly 500-kilometer upstream journey from the ocean to this, the river of their birth. Their mission, to ensure the survival of their species by spawning. Thousands of visitors come here each fall to take in the spectacle and learn from it.
There's a lot of salmon here. And the big red one seems like it's a boy, and the one next to it that has a little bit of color seems like it's a girl.
You know how to tell the male from the female?
You remember?
See the big hooked nose or the big teeth on the male?
These hardy survivors endure countless challenges on their way back home. In more recent years, warmer water temperatures brought about by climate change have added to their struggle. But there's one hardship they do not have to endure here: drought.
The Adams River is actually a place where the salmon are buffered from effects of drought because there's a large lake, Adams Lake, just at the top end of this river system.
But that doesn't mean the Adams is without its problems. A couple of years ago, it was observed that the river's side channels were disappearing because water flow was being blocked by shifting gravel bars, resulting in a loss of 50% of sockeye spawning habitat.
So the project was to remove that gravel bar and just make a few channels in it. The idea was it would start to distribute itself and fill in this side channel with water.
With the help of the Pacific Salmon Foundation and its partners, that's exactly what happened.
This little bit of gravel removed, this would all be essentially dry.
Yeah.
These thousands of Chinook and sockeye would have
not been here.
This wouldn't be spawning grounds.
That's right.
It all comes down to being able to see that there are fish here, spawning in habitat that would not be here if Salmon Foundation and partners, the Little Shuswap Lake First Nation, DFO, if we hadn't all come together and say, hey, there's a problem here, we got to fix it.
From the viewing platform, as many as 100,000 visitors come to take it all in each year.
It's just a wonderful opportunity for people to get a closer look at salmon, to experience it, and to maybe come away appreciating it more.
That's a Chinook, that's sockeye. Wait, sockeye?
There is still much work to be done. Climate change is making their already harrowing journey even more arduous, which is why it's so important to encourage the passions and efforts of current and future generations.
It's deeply concerning when you see these fish coming back later and coming back in smaller numbers. And I think we need to do everything we can to give them a positive boost and do things to help them to try to offset some of these negative effects.
There are things that we can do. It does make a difference. It's not a hopeless cause. We are helping.